This is not an ordinary Audi. This is fully electric Audi e-tron, equipped with an e-quattro all-wheel drive system, intelligent technology, advanced charging capabilities. Audi Q4 e-tron and Audi Q4 e-tron Sportback are identical twins, but in terms of their shape, they each have their own unmistakable and characteristic features. The Audi Q4 e-tron concept gave visitors to the 2019 Geneva Motor Show a taste of the first compact electric SUV from Audi. With the Q4 Sportback e-tron, the brand is now presenting the second model of the product line, that will go into production in 2021 as an SUV coupe. The two concept cars, which are already offering a clear look ahead at the top of the range engine lineup of the coming series production model, also have the same drive technology. Two electric motors mobilize 225 kilowatts of system output in the Q4 and Q4 Sportback e-tron concept. As is typical for Audi, the driving power is brought to the road with quattro all-wheel drive. Thanks to excellent traction, both versions of the Q4 accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62.1 miles per hour, in just 6.3 seconds. Top speed is restricted to 180 km per hour, 111.8 miles per hour. A large battery with a capacity of 82 kWh takes up almost the entire space in the underbody area between the axles. The range of over 450 kilometers, 279.6 miles. With its dimensions, the Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron concept also takes its position in the upper third of the compact class. Its road space requirements qualify the electric SUV as an agile all-rounder. In terms of the interior, by contrast, its wheelbase of 2.77 meters, 9.1 feet, puts it at least one class higher. As there is no transmission tunnel restricting the space, the Q4 Sportback e-tron concept offers unsuspected spaciousness and comfort, especially in terms of legroom at the front and even more in the rear. The interior is a technological showcase for Audi's latest and greatest gadgets. The Q4 e-tron's cabin is similar to what's available in other Audis and also incorporates a few unique features, such as a squared-off steering wheel with touch-sensitive controls and a toggle switch-gear selector. Although the Q4 e-tron concept was shown strictly as a four-seater, the production version will offer seating for 5. The interior's passenger space should be about the same as the gas-powered Q5's. Cargo space isn't as generous, however.